Hello friends, today I am going to explain about how to draw the IV characteristic of the NMOS in Cadence. Easy step. Let's begin. First press window button and go to file, create new folder, write your name of the folder and create. After that just left click, open new terminal, write whatever here written. And now move to new, move to library, give the name of your library, attach option is third option, and now apply, and now select the gpdk 180, okay. And now same thing, new cell view, and now give your name of the cell, okay button. Now Cadence will open. Click NMOS symbol and select GPDK 180 degree and cell NMOS and just symbol and hide. You will get the NMOS MOSFET here. And now press escape button and then move to create instance. Just select ground, analog lab and ground, and again hide. You will get the ground here, and right here the at the place of cell you will write V source, you will get the source here. Same thing, then select the wire here at the top, it will be given, and now connect this wire. I am again repeating, just move to create instance. There you will select the library as analog library and select ground and hide, you will get ground, and again you will write in the cell as V source, same as the analog library, and hide, you will get the V source. In place of V source you can select as a VDC, and you will get the proper circuit diagram of NMOS. Now select the VGS source, press Q button, select here DC source, write here VGS, and then press OK button. After that same thing in VDS source, select this and press Q button, select DC source and select here VDS, press OK. And now just make it click here, check it, and then launch ADEL. First option you will get this ADEL, this tab. And now in the first analysis press here left button, edit option, and now select the DC source and same DC operating point and component parameter. And now select the component, select the VGS source, and now make it DC, first option, and now OK button. Now again minimize it, you will see this option, this, and now select DC, give the range of this 0 to 1.8. Select here linear, sweep type linear, and now give the step size 0.01. Select click OK button. Now again minimize, and you will move to ADEL file. Give the value of the variable VDS VGS as 1.8 1.8 both. Now output, left button, edit, and then from design just select the node of the drain. See here how I am selecting, just click here button on the node of the drain, and now select this, and now OK button. You will see a round of the circle is shown at the drain node. And now again move to the ADEL tab, and here green button, click green button. You will see after few seconds here ID and VGS graph will be shown, a single graph will be shown. For to see the combined graph, just press tool button and then write the parameter here, parameter analysis, just select the variable as a VDS and give the range from 0 to 1.8, 0 to 1.8. And now just select here linear steps and give the step size as 0.3 and select the green button, click the green button. And now you will, after few seconds you will see the ID VGS graph will be generated. After a few seconds you will see ID VGS graph will be generated. See here how the IDVGS graph has been generated for a varying VDS value. For a varying VDS value, the graph between ID and VGS for NMOS is seen here. Same thing we will do for the ID VDS curve. Let's see. Select the VDS. First we have to select the VDS source and then select the DC here, and now press the OK button. OK here, and now minimize it, and now give the range 0 to 1.8, similar that you have done for VGS. Same for VDS, 0 to 1.8 range, 0 to 1.8 range, and sweep type as linear. Give the step size as 0.01, 0.01, and now OK. And now we have to select the node. For this we have to move the ADEL file, minimize it, move to the ADEL file, ADEL tab. When you will open ADEL tab, then here you will see the variable range is given. Just click the left button in output area, and here you from design, click the from design, and just select the drain node. Select the drain node, click the drain node, it will blink, and then move again. In the tab, a round circle will be shown when you select the OK button, when you click the OK button. Now just move to tool, parameter analysis, give the variable now as VGS, and now everything is same, but select the variable as VGS. Now press the green button. After few seconds you will see IDVGS graph will be seen. IDVDS graph will be seen. See this, IDVD graph has been drawn, has been generated. This is the way how you can draw the IDVD and IDVG curve for NMOS. Now I am going to show you how to save these images. Just move to file, and there is the option save image. Just open your folder and save it. This is the easiest way to save your images. Move to the file, save image, open your folder, and now click save. When you open your folder, you will see these are the images that has been saved in your folder. Please like and subscribe for more informative content. धन्यवाद.